3 exponent m plus 3 exponent m equals 90. Okay, so we can say 3 exponent m times 1 plus 1 equals, and 90 is the same as 2 times 45. Okay, so our equation becomes 3 exponent m times 2 equals 2 times 45. All right, now let's divide here by 2, here by 2. So this cancels this cancels this and this. So we're going to have 3 exponent m equals, and 45 can be written as 9 times 5. Okay, so our equation becomes 3 exponent m equals 9 is the same as 3 exponent 2. All right, so let's divide here by 3 exponent 2, here by 3 exponent 2. So this and this will cancel. So you have 3m over 3 squared equals 5. Okay, and let's apply the quotient rule. So we say a exponent b over a exponent c should give us a exponent b minus c. So we are going to have 3 exponent m minus 2 equals 5. Are you there? So we say this base and this base are not the same. So because of that, we are going to apply logarithm. So we say log 3 exponent n minus 2 exponent n minus 2 equals log 5. All right, now let's apply the logarithm definition here. So we say log a exponent n base b should give us n log a base b. So our equation becomes m minus 2 times log 3 equals log 5. All right, now let's divide here by log 3, here by log 3. Now anything over itself is 1. So this and this will give us 1. And 1 times m minus 2 is m minus 2. So we have m minus 2 equals log 5 over, okay, log 3. Now let's apply the change of base formula here. So we say log a over log b equals log a base b. Now this gives us m minus 2 equals log, okay, 5 base 3, m equals log 5 base 3 plus 2. So this is our final answer.